Hello, friends. Welcome back to today's English speaking practice session. In this video, we are going to practice a complete natural English conversation. From saying hello, introducing ourselves, making small talk, and finally saying goodbye. You will listen, repeat, and practice along with me. This way, you will learn how to start and end a conversation confidently in English. So let's begin. Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. That's great to hear. What's your name? My name is Sarah. What's yours? I'm David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from London. And you? I'm from New York. Oh, that's interesting. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. What about you? No, I've been here a couple of times. That's nice. Do you live nearby? Yes, just a few blocks away. How about you? I live a little further, maybe 20 minutes from here. That's not too far. What do you do? I'm a teacher, and you? I work as a designer. That sounds creative. Do you enjoy teaching? Yes, very much. Do you like designing? Yes, it's something I'm passionate about. That's wonderful. Have you been busy lately? Yes, work has been hectic. How about you? Pretty much the same. I guess that's life these days. Do you come here often? Not really, just once in a while. I come here quite often. That must be nice. Are you here with friends? Yes, a couple of them. And you? I came alone, just wanted to relax. That's a good idea. Have you tried the food here? Yes, it's delicious. Have you? Not yet, but I plan to. You should, it's worth it. What do you usually order? I usually get the pasta. What about you? I might try the salad today. That sounds healthy. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. Do you? Yes, I can't start my day without it. Same here. What kind of music do you listen to? Mostly pop, sometimes jazz. And you? I enjoy rock and classical. That's a nice mix. Have you been on vacation recently? Yes, I went to Italy. What about you? I haven't traveled recently. Italy sounds amazing. Do you like traveling? Yes, very much. Do you? Of course, I'd travel all the time if I could. Me too. Do you like reading? Yes, I enjoy novels. Do you read? Yes, mostly self-help and history books. That's interesting. Have you seen any good movies lately? Yes, I watched a great comedy last week. And you? I watched a thriller recently. That must have been exciting. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Do you play? I play tennis sometimes. That's a great sport. Do you prefer the beach or the mountains? I prefer the beach. What about you? I prefer the mountains. Both have their charm. Are you working tomorrow? Yes, I have to. How about you? No, I have the day off. Lucky you. What are your weekend plans? I might meet some friends. What about you? I'll probably just rest at home. That's good too. Do you usually wake up early? Yes, I do. What about you? No, I like to sleep in. That sounds nice. Have you lived here long? Yes, for 5 years. How about you? Just a year. You must still be getting used to it. Do you like this city? Yes, I really do. Do you? Yes, it's full of life. I agree. Have you learned the local language? Yes, a little. And you? I'm still learning. That takes time. Do you use social media a lot? Yes, quite often. And you? Not too much, only sometimes. That's healthier. Do you like shopping? Yes, sometimes. What about you? Yes, especially for clothes. That's fun. Do you cook at home? Yes, often. Do you? Not very often. Cooking can be relaxing. Do you like pets? Yes, I love dogs. Do you? Yes, I have a cat. That's cute. Have you been to a concert? Yes, last month. What about you? Not recently. Concerts are always fun. Do you like the weather today? Yes, it's nice and sunny, do you? Yes, it feels perfect. I agree. Do you enjoy walking? Yes, especially in the park. What about you? Yes, I walk every morning. That's healthy. Do you like meeting new people? Yes, it's always interesting, do you? Yes, I like making new friends. Same here. Do you often go out with friends? Yes, every weekend, and you? Not so often. That's okay. Do you watch TV shows? Yes, a lot, do you? Yes, especially drama series. They can be addictive. Do you like art? Yes, I do, you? Yes, I enjoy visiting galleries. That's wonderful. Do you like learning new things? Yes, all the time, do you? Yes, I think it keeps life interesting. Absolutely. What time is it now? It's around 6 p.m. Oh, it's getting late. Yes, I should get going. It was nice talking to you. Yes, I really enjoyed our chat. Let's meet again soon. Definitely, take care. Goodbye. Goodbye, see you soon. Great job, you did amazing practice today. Now you know how to greet someone, introduce yourself, continue small talk, and say goodbye naturally in English. Practice this conversation again and again until it feels easy for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily English practice. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.